Good day, everyone. My name is Sandy Sanwan, and here's my fellow groupmates, Brian Gunar Talanay, Segerex Aguelo, Rick Andalio, Bench Belleza, and Marion Kelby Matawara. For today's lesson, we were about to discuss the understanding of SolidWorks software in ME4, and the next present the next slide is to be presented by Segerex Aguelo.
Foundation and development of SolidWorks. SolidWorks was founded in 1993 by John Herstick and released in 1995. It was designed to make 3D CAD software and more accessible and user-friendly. User-friendly. The Salt Systems acquired SolidWorks in 1997 for further enhancing its capabilities in SolidWorks, and SolidWorks is unknown for its powerful and flexibility. It has a more powerful modeling engine than Inventor, and it can be used to create more complex model. In short, SolidWorks grew from a friendly design tool into a powerful engineering software used worldwide. Next slide. Motivation behind SolidWorks creation. John Hersich aimed to create an affordable, easy-to-use 3D CAD software for engineers and designers. SolidWorks revolutionized CAD by introducing a parametric feature-based modeling approach. The company was established goal of making 3D CAD more accessible and affordable compared to a high-cost system available at the time. Herstik assembled a team of engineers to create a user-friendly Windows-based CAD system that would revolutionize the industry. Uh, that means John Hersey created a SolidWorks to offer an affordable and easy to use 3D CAD solution for engineers. And by introducing parametric based featured modeling, SolidWorks made CAD more accessible and user friendly compared to the expensive system of that time, helping to revolutionize the industry.
Integration of CosmosWorks 2004. CosmosWorks was integrated into SolidWorks to enhance simulation capabilities. It allowed engineers to conduct stress analysis, thermal analysis, and motion studies within the SolidWorks environment. This integration allowed engineers and designers to conduct stress analysis, thermal analysis, motion studies, and other simulation directly within the SolidWorks environment, eliminating the need for third-party software. So guys, CosmosWorks was integrated into SolidWorks platform to provide advanced simulation tools directly within the design environment. This integration significantly improved workflow for engineers and designers by allowing them to perform various analyses such as stress, thermal, and motion studies without leaving the SolidWorks or relying on external software. With the capabilities, users can evaluate the structural integrity, thermal performance, and dynamic behavior of their designs early in development process. As a result, the design cycle becomes more efficient, potential issues can be identified and addressed sooner, and overall product quality is enhanced.
Role of the command manager. The command manager, a feature within the CAD software, enhance design efficiency through a customizable and context-sensitive toolbar. The toolbar dynamically adapts to the user current workflow. For example, when a designer switches from sketching a component to adding features, the toolbar automatically updates to display relevant tools such as extrude, revolve, and cut commands, replacing sketching tools like lines, arcs, and splines. This eliminates the need to manually search for a specific tool, streamlining the design process. The slide detail the integration of simulation capabilities and highlight key enhancement in a recent software release.
Okay. In this slide, I'll be sharing some key features of SolidWorks 2020. So first, 3D modeling was improved to handle large assemblies more smoothly. This means it will perform faster and better when working on complex designs. Second, simulation tools. It is enhanced to help us test designs more accurately, allowing us to run tests and motion studies more effectively. And third, SolidWorks improved their collaboration tools, making it easier to share files and work with team members.
Introduction of SpeedPack 2008. SpeedPack was introduced to optimize the performance of large assemblies by creating lightweight configuration. This feature reduces memory usage while maintaining essential design reference. So, in 2008, SolidWorks introduced a new tool to improve the speed and efficiency of working with large, complex designs, which is yung SpeedPack. This tool creates simplified version of the design using less computer memory without losing important information. This improvement make it much faster and easier to work on very detailed project. Next.
Role of simulation tools. Simulation tools in SolidWorks help engineers test product performance before manufacturing. Features like FEA or finite element analysis or CFD, computational fluid dynamics reduce prototyping cost. So, simulation tools helps engineers test how a product will perform under real-life conditions even before it's built. And features like FEA allows us to analyze stress, strain, and deformation in parts and assemblies. And another feature is yung CFD lets us study how fluids like air or water flow through our designs. So by using these tools, we can identify problems early and make better design decisions and also reduce the cost of physical prototypes.
Next is comparison of SolidWorks. SolidWorks standard provides basic 3D modeling. Professional includes additional tools like box and photorealistic rendering, while Premium offers advanced simulation and motion analysis. SolidWorks comes in three main versions, which is standard, professional, and premium. Let's start with SolidWorks standard. SolidWorks standard is the basic version. It includes essential 3D CAD tools for modeling parts, assemblies, and creating 2D drawings. It is ideal for basic design and drafting needs. Next is SolidWorks Professional. This version builds on the standard package by adding tools like Toolbox, a library of components, file management features, and photorealistic rendering using tools like PhotoView 360. It is suited for more advanced design work and presentation quality visuals. The last SolidWorks version is SolidWorks Premium. SolidWorks SolidWorks Premium is the most feature-rich version. It includes everything in Professional plus advanced simulation tools like stress analysis and motion analysis for studying how assemblies move under load. It is best for engineers who need to validate
and optimize complex designs.
So, the next slide po is the impact of SolidWorks in mechanical engineering. SolidWorks has transformed mechanical engineering by streamlining product design, enabling realistic simulation, and integrating manufacturing processes, reducing designs, error, and costs. It means na malaki na po ang natulong ng SolidWorks sa larangan po ng mechanical engineering. And dahil po dito, mas pinadali na po ang proseso ng pagde-design ng mga produkto. And sa tulong na rin po ng 3D modeling tools is mas mabilis na po at mas madali na po makagawa ng mga design. And bukod po dito, may simulation features din po ang SolidWorks. Ito po yung tumutulong sa pagtetest ng mga designs bago pa ito gawin sa totoong buhay. Kaya naiiwan na po ang mga errors at mas natitipid na po ang paggastos. And isa rin po sa pinakamalaking benefits ng SolidWorks ay ang integration nito sa manufacturing processes. It means po na mas napapadali na po ang paggawa ng mga prototypes at final products, and dahil po dito is mas efficient and mas mabilis at mas cost effective na po ang pagbuo po ng mga produkto. And sa buong kabuuan po is malaki na po ang naging, kumbaga, malaki na po ang naging papel ng SolidWorks, and mas napapadali at mas napapabuti na po ang sa mechanical engineering. And the last slide po is the advantage and disadvantages of SolidWorks. Isa po sa mga advantages, user-friendly interface. Ibig sabihin po is mas nag-integrate po ang SolidWorks sa iba't iba pong mga software. And power simulation tools and seamless integration with CAM softwares. Sa simulation tool is pwede pong i-test yung mga design bago po ito gawin para po maiwasan yung mga errors and masiguradong matibay po yung product. And sa integration po sa Camware is mas madali na po ang transition mula design papunta sa manufacturing process. And disadvantage po is the high cost. Ibig sabihin po is mahal. Mataas po ang presyo ng software kaya hindi ito masyadong afford ng lahat. Yung pangalawa po is steep learning curve. Sa advantages, siya po ay user-friendly. Pero kailangan pa rin po ng oras para matutunan yung mga advanced features ng SolidWorks. And last po is requires high system of specification. Ibig sabihin po, kailangan po ng high performance ng mga computer natin para po ma-download po yung SolidWorks. And mas maayos pa po and maiwasan po yung mga lag. And ito po yung SolidWorks interface. Makikita po natin dito yung menu bar. Dito po natin makikita yung mga option like file, edit, view, and more similar to menus in other software. And pangalawa po is standard toolbar. Ito po, sabi po dito, contains commonly used like opening and saving, undoing, and printing files. Number 3 po is search bar. Dito po makakatulong kung paano natin hahanapin yung mga tool commands and yung mga topics ng mabilis. And pangapat po is command manager. Ito po yung toolbar na nagpro-provide ng access sa different tools like sketching, modeling, and editing. Number 5 po is heads-up view toolbar. Dito naman po is pinoprovide niya po yung mabilis na option sa pagbabago ng mga view. Yung pwede nating i-zoom, i-rotate, or i-display yung mga models. Pang-anim po is yung task pane. Ito po yung panel sa right side na nagbibigay po ng access sa library design tools and other resources. And number 7 po is yung graphics area. Ito po yung main workspace kung paano tayo makaka-create and mamomodify po yung 3D models. And number 8 po is yung model. Ito po yung 3D object na ginagawa niya. And number 9 po is Feature Manager Design 3. Ito po yung panel sa left side na nagpapakita po ng structure ng inyong model, including the parts and features. Number 10 po is Manager Pane. Ito po sabi po dito is it display different tools like configuration, properties, and history. And the last po is the status bar. Ito po siya, located po siya sa bottom. And ang ano naman po niya, ang ginagawa naman po niya is pinapakita niya po yung mga detail like measurements, errors, and other positions. And yun lang po yung mga part po ng SolidWorks. And this is our report for today. And I hope po na magustuhan po ninyo ang aming report. Yun lang po. Thank you po.